The Community Immersion program invites incoming MSW students to understand, one, the tenets of social work as a profession, but then also to give them a solid launching pad into their social work training.
Organizing. Yeah. Okay, so 5 people for organizing can follow me, and then the rest can.
Social workers 100% have the capacity to dissect and identify what challenges folks may be experiencing to help them in various domains, whether it's at a micro domain, therapeutic, a meso domain, community level, macro domain, at the broader systemic level. There is no other profession that is equipped to train individuals on how to help people in all of those dimensions.
Why is folding shirts important?
I think just for the simple reason that people need clothing and someone has to do the on-the-ground steps.
Where is the small?
Building relationships throughout the program is also very important for students who are interested in working in social work, because these are the places where they may be applying to certain jobs. Because there are a vast number of opportunities with social work, the degree itself allows you so many different pathways to take for your ultimate career choice.
Why did y'all decide to college?
You know, the past 9 years of working in like corporate finance wasn't really, spending my time in alignment with my values. Wanted to find something where I could make an impact, and I think social work is, a great place.
That's great.
Thank you.
This quick little moment in time allows students to get a glimpse of how can I contribute? How do we help? How do we lighten the load? How do we equalize the playing field? The unique approach regarding the whole person that Loyola places as a priority in our pedagogy is to be involved in some type of service.
It just kind of opened the aperture of my world, kind of opened the scope of what we're doing in the city to support people in need.
It's been great to dive into some of the actual material of attunement and the fan, and just starting to learn about what it is to be a social worker.
If it wasn't for CIP, I may not have made those relationships with people. In my group, we all were really close. My biggest takeaway was expect the unexpected and be open to anything and open-minded to all types of experiences.